Fake news surrounding Binance selling off massive amounts of their Solana and Ethereum positions caused the crypto market to fall lower today. I want to give you guys a breaking news update in this cryptocurrency space and give you this urgent warning to not panic. Folks, people are panicking left and right in the crypto space, and I want to talk about why we are seeing this downward price action today and what I think comes next for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Solana, for the entire crypto market as a whole. I've got something very important to share with you in this video, so stick around to the end. Let me get through the news stories and then talk to you guys about the charts and what I'm seeing right now. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and look at where Bitcoin's at, sitting below 94K, down to $93,937. Why is Bitcoin having this big move to the downside today? Well, folks, here's the deal. Binance is offloading millions worth of ETH and SOL. That's the rumor, but that's not the facts. In fact, if you actually look at the story, you'll see many traders mistook Binance's hot wallet activities as the exchange selling its holdings through market maker Wintermute, when in fact, an analyst on X pointed out that it was actually Wintermute withdrawing millions of Solana from Binance's holdings. So, not a true story. So everybody was freaking out today because of the story. Solana came down quite a bit, actually. If you take a peek at what's going on right now, go to CoinMarketCap, look at this. You'll see Solana is actually down quite a bit, down 10% today, down to $150. I've been telling you guys that we might see this thing come down a little bit lower. In fact, I've been making a lot of short plays on Solana lately because of the conversation going on around the meme coins, because of the fear generally. And now we've got this fake news story that came out just days after the Bybit hack. All negative press coming out a lot lately, just a lot of negative press coming lately, which is causing dips in the market and causing buying opportunities. But are we going to start crashing beyond into oblivion, beyond belief, like absolutely massive moves to the downside? Well, looking at our total market cap, guys, there is going to be significant support that we need to test here at $3 trillion. And so we want to see, as I've been saying for so long, a bullish retest off $3 trillion. This is the first daily candle in over 97 days that we have come back down to this level. If this daily candle that closes in 4 hours tests on this, that could turn into a bullish retest potentially off this $3 trillion level. Let's look at the weekly candles. Our weekly candle, this is our first weekly candle. What I've been looking for, and I've been talking about this for a while, is this sort of Nike swoosh bounce off of $3 trillion. Now is our opportunity, guys. I want to tell you guys a little reality of the situation where we might see us revisit the weekly candle closes off the previous top back at 2.83 trillion. We might even see a bounce back off of the March 2024 highs at 2.64 trillion before continuation to the upside. But my first level that I'd like to see the bounce off of is 3 trillion, and we have finally revisited that area. Now, it is not all doom and gloom. I've got actually a good news story for you today as well. Very exciting. Robinhood says the SEC dismissed their crypto unit investigation, and another sign that regulations are going to be easier in the future for the crypto industry. This is very bullish, my friends. Just the other day, we saw Coinbase get their SEC case dismissed, according to the Coinbase executive, Brian Armstrong. Now we're seeing Robinhood come out saying that their SEC case was dismissed. All that's left is we're waiting on that XRP case to be dismissed as well. And I think that that would logically be one of the next big cases. Coinbase, Robinhood, and the Ripple team, those are the biggest cases in crypto. I forgot about the Robinhood case. There are certainly some others, so we might see some others get dismissed, but it's only a matter of time before the XRP case gets dismissed. And when that does happen, it could cause a spike in the price action for XRP and really for the crypto market. It could correspond beautifully with a bounce off $3 trillion. Why I'm not worried is because we saw this fake news story about Binance selling their Solana tokens. It's not the case. It's somebody withdrawing from the Binance exchange, possibly moving some liquidity around, a market maker, Wintermute. We got this sell-off today, and now here we are at 3 trillion, which is a level I've been talking to you guys about for the last 90 days or so, and I'd like to see a bullish retest off this level. I've said it so many times, and here we are today. The breaking news is crazy. First, are fake news stories about this Binance selling Solana tokens, and then we have the good news of the Robinhood SEC case getting dropped, but we're still coming down. I think it's okay. I think there's some fear. I think that we are experiencing a little bit of a sell-off after all the hype coming into the presidential election. Now we're waiting on regulations to be approved. We're waiting on the Fed to decide whether they're going to cut the rates or not. We know that they're not going to cut the rates for a while. Are they going to cut the rates come June when we're looking to go off of quantitative tightening and potentially start pivoting at the end of the year towards quantitative easing? We need to see that in order to see a massive rally for altcoins in particular. But just because we're waiting on the Fed to pivot does not mean that, the bull market can't stay at these levels. It doesn't mean that we're going into a bear market. I want you guys to understand that retests are very important for cryptocurrency. You need to establish levels of support. One area that I've been looking at is 3 trillion. Another level is 2.8. And then the other last level that I'd love to see us have as our absolute lowest point, if we go this low at all, is 2.63, right around these weekly candle closes back from March of 2024. That brings in the possibility of Bitcoin possibly revisiting levels as low as like 73K, which could be possible. Is that going to happen? That's not what I'm telling you guys. What I'm telling you in this video is there's a lot of emotions going around in the crypto market right now. There are now buying opportunities. You could actually get Bitcoin at a nice discount of 14% right now from its highs. If it came down to 73K, 74K, you would get a 30% discount on Bitcoin, which historically we always see in these bull markets. I wanted to share with you guys these big stories today. The Binance selling all the Solana is not a true story. That was fake news. I also forgot to tell you guys, there was a story coming out recently that the Bybit hack, North Korea hacked Bybit, that they were actually, there was a phone call that came from the president and they were going to return the funds. That was not a true story, unfortunately. There's a lot of fake news that goes around in crypto. You got to be cautious of that stuff. But the news story that the SEC dropped the Robinhood case, that's going to end up being true. And that is bullish. The real news is very bullish news. The fake news is the bearish news. There is real news that causes a stall out in this crypto market right now, which is the Fed and interest rate cuts. But eventually that's going to come to an end. Right now that looks like the summer, which is when I think we're going to be getting back into the big explosive moves for cryptocurrency. In the meantime, there is a reality where we are trading sideways right now. We've been trading sideways for 98 days. And we've seen this happen before. If you go back to here, we were trading sideways for a whopping 240 days before we had moved back to the upside. That could happen again, guys. You got to be aware. In the meantime, I think these are DCing opportunities. In the meantime, I think these are tremendous trading opportunities. If you want to do some trading of your own, you could sign up for Blowfin using our link in the description down below. In this volatility right here, you could be making some trades. If you want to do so, sign up for Blowfin up to a $5,000 deposit bonus. And right now there's a trading competition going on with an over $5 million prize pool if you want to check it out. And if you sign up today for Blowfin using our link, you get, when you deposit $100, you'll get $10 in XRP for free for all you XRP lovers out there. Guys, that is all I have for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Hang in there, guys. Bull market is not canceled. I know everybody keeps talking about that. The fear is maximal today because of these fake news stories going out. But we just survived one of the biggest crypto hacks in history. Bybit was hacked. They have made themselves whole. They processed all the withdrawals. The United States government is embracing crypto more than it's ever done before. And the globe really is. Things are looking up for crypto in the future. Right now is just a hiccup. Right now we are looking at some bullish retests that could possibly happen. And if they do, it's going to make everybody very bullish again, myself included. I'm waiting for it. I think that it could happen. As always, guys, nothing here I say is financial advice. You have to do your own research, but we love crypto here, and we're going to keep the content coming. DCA, HODL, smash a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. 2 videos here if you want to check it out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.